What's good, YouTube? So walking back from the gym, and today, I don't know, I thought I'd do a little vlog. There's gonna be, I think, a pretty good meet tonight. Excuse me. Oh, it's a little surprise going on. So I wanted to show you guys, and yeah, so I think David's about to pull up. He got a little bit of a drive up here, and then we'll meet up with Yasu later and then hit a meet. And I think this meet should be pretty good. The season's kind of over, but I guess here what they do is they just have car shows and meets all year long, even when it's super snowy. But it's pretty nice today. It's supposed to get to like, I think 30s tonight when the meet's gonna be, so we have to bundle up. I don't want to give anything away, so I'll just leave it at that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I think we're gonna try and hit a Korean barbecue. I mean, if you've never had Korean barbecue, you're missing out. Pulled up to the car wash. David pulled up. He's about to rinse off his Genesis, and then he'll probably run to the store and then wait for Yasu. But you know, I've always thought the hexagons instead of the halos were a little weird, but on his build, I really like it. I think it looks pretty good, and they're unique. Oh, that's nice. Matching hood. Dang. We just got done eating some pho, and Yasu said there was another Genesis out here, parked by David.
Not bad.
I wonder if it's a 2.0 or a 3.8. Who do you guys think it was in there?
Huh?
Who do you guys think it was in there?
Oh, that's a good question. I have no idea.
I don't know who would be whipping this. It's cool to see another Genesis though.
It is, yeah. It's out in the blue.
Another BK1 too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Psych! Just kidding. I got a 2-0. Okay. What do you think? Looks nice. It's beat up, but you know. Oh, that's good.
Nice.
That's nice.
We ended up not going to the meet yesterday, but we're going to a day meet now, and this thing looks packed. They haven't, I don't know, I haven't been to a day meet in a minute, and this thing looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun. And I don't think David's ever been to one of these, so he's excited.
I'm excited, let's go.
Yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a lot of good cars. It's kind of hard to see, but there's this parking lot, and then all the way down there to the end of the parking lot is just full of cars. Sick. So this is like the end of it, and then it goes all the way down to there. So I'll try and film some of my favorite ones I see, but yeah, this is a really big meet, and especially for it being pretty much winter. Wow, I'm excited to see those Type Rs. I feel like I'm at a Honda dealership with all these Type Rs. I like the blue and the red contrast. White, they're like a creamier white, which is cool. Of course, I like the dark. Ooh, with those are nice. I think this might be my favorite color. Maybe. I don't know. I really like the blue too. Ooh, that's a tough one. I like that color. That's nice.
Yeah.
For real?
Even like what's the point of it? Like a regular.
There's really not a lot of things that get me hype in life. Like people telling me that they're gonna get a Genesis coupe, and we met a guy who's gonna get one tomorrow. He's getting it basically from Oregon. It's a long story, not gonna explain everything, not important. But what is important is that he's getting the Genesis 2014 2.0. We think it's a premium, and I'm excited because another Genesis coupe owner in the area is just another Genesis coupe owner in general. So he's really excited, and we're excited to express our passion and love with him. That sounds a little weird.
I think that's Evan. That looks like Evan. There's a guy in the springs that I know.